Oh boy, I got another project that's definitely classified as a Steveism. So I got this mini split AC unit in here. These are 450 bucks on eBay. And I'm gearing up to convert my house over to solar. So I wanted to lower the amp draw to stabilize this house. So I was thinking this can be my piggyback unit. And I'm going to have it running almost 24/7, where the main central only kicks on when it's needed. And I'm going to use the ducting of the central. I know they make these that are designed for a central ducting system, but they are $2,500 for that setup. This is $450. So with this and a little bit of engineering and duct tape, I'm going to make it work. So right now I'm dealing with the electrical. This is a fun little plug. It has line, neutral, and ground on here. Also on the plug, line, neutral, and ground. But it's 220 volt. So I'm thinking these Chinese people mislabeled this, and this should be line 2, and neutral or ground. Line 2, and neutral or ground. I don't know, and the manufacturer hasn't told me. The instruction manual sucks, so boy, I hope I don't fry this computer. I took it all apart and tried to see if I can find any secrets, any telltales on the computer board, and I could not. But anyways, back to the plan. The plan is I'm going to duct this out the way I want to with foam. Probably going to come with a piece here, piece across here. Maybe open the box down deeper. Have a big box underneath. And then it's going to go one way or the other. I'm going to install this right here in my AC box. So behind the filters, it'll stay in a filtered environment. So it'll be double filtered. I'll mount it right up on this wall. I'm going to box out this extra space. It's too big anyway. And I'm going to have it vent up right through here, which is going to come up here. I'm going to open up this plywood here and have a duct coming through. Probably reroute this pipe. I'm going to have this duct coming up here, and it's going to tap in right here. I'm going to cut this panel a little bit. It's going to be able to tap into here. This should be a negative PSI environment when this big blower fan is working. So if I put it up here, it would go into a positive PSI, and then if this is not running, the mini split is not running, but the duct is, the blower fan is, then it could blow air backwards. I don't want that. But if this blower fan kicked on with this being a negative pressure environment, it should help suck more air through the mini split, thus making it a little more efficient. And it has these coils to back it up with the main compressor. So that's what I plan on doing. I already got 220 right here. Should be an easy wire up. So just to go over it again, mini split right there. Gets tucked up underneath here. Foam box gets built. Metal pipes with foam around them get run up here and ducted into here, thus giving me a piggyback AC unit. That's going to use almost no electricity. And I pretty much cleaned out loads of all of their ducting shapes and corners. And then this is the $13 a piece foam. I'm going to go ahead and insulate these afterwards. So I'll build the ducting, then I'll insulate it. This here turns into like a box, little rectangle box. So run the air through that. And I got all of these possibilities for figuring it out. See what I end up building. I think it'll be pretty cool in the end. Let me know what you guys think. Is this stupid or is this smart?